Now stand on your knee here. Camel pose. We are doing camel pose, Ustrasana. You can catch your waist region. Yeah, you have to catch your both feet with the both hands. Long inhale here. Exhale, bend back. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Now child pose, Shashank Asana, your hip region down on your heels. Child pose. 1, KTG, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, relax please. Now we are doing cat and camel. Okay. Drop your hand. Inhale your neck up and make your arch in spine. Look up. Cat and camel pose. Exhale down. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Very good. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. With the breath, exhale down. Inhale up and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down. Tight. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now, no, same there please. Here your left leg back straight and right hand front. Left leg back straight and right hand front. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, switch please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Puppy pose. Down your hand. Yes. Very good. Hand down. Yes. Very good. पूर्वी जी एल्बो स्ट्रेट रखिए. 1, 2. यस. थोड़ा और आगे बॉडी हल्का सा. 3. वेरी गुड. 4, 5, 6. स्वर्ण जी हैंड स्ट्रेट. 8, 9, 10. नाउ पर्वत आसना. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग हियर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg up. More up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down please. Switch your leg. More up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax please. Now your leg forward please. Both leg forward. Leg should be straight. Catch your fist. We are doing rowing. Okay. Catch your fist please. Rowing. Yes. 1, 2, 3. It is very important to reduce your abdomen. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse please. 1, 2, beginners karu. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Now boat pose, Nokasana here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Leg straight here. Janu Sirsasana. Right leg fold and towards pelvic region, knee down. Yes. Right leg fold. Yes. Knee down रखेंगे sir. Knee down रखेंगे. Yes. And both hand up. खुशबू जी knee down रखिए. Inhale both hand up. Exhale down forward. Catch your feet please. Janu Sirsasana. 1, 2, 3. Keep your leg straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Relax please. Switch your leg. Inhale both hand up. Exhale down forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Both leg forward. Paschimottanasana. Leg forward sir. Leg straight. Inhale both hand up. Exhale down. Catch your feet. Down please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Now fold your leg here. Counter pose. Fold your leg. Both leg fold. Kirti ji lift mid part. Yes. Both hand back पीछे रखे, हाथ पीछे रखे. कीर्ति मैडम. 1, table pose sir. Table pose. 2, inhale up and down. Up, down, up and hold. One more up. Push pelvic region up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Leg straight here. Long inhale and exhale. Now fold your right leg. Knee should be up. Okay. With the left hand cross your right knee. Okay. Yes. Just try to catch your left ankle with the right hand and right hand back. Yes. Right hand back. KTG. Right hand back. Yes. 1. All you doing very well. 2, 3, 4, 5. Its name is Vakrasana. 6, 7. Neck back, madam. 8, 9. Relax, please. Switch, please. Your left leg fold. Right leg straight. Just have to catch your left ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Lie down on your abdomen here. Bhujangasana. Lie down on abdomen. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up and hold please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Your both hand back on spine, Sarpasan. Lift your upper part only, feet touch the mat, only upper part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Your hand under thighs, Salabhasana. We are doing Salabhasana. Your hand under thighs, your both leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shabash. 9, 10. Bow pose here. Fold your leg. Catch your ankle. Listen. Lift upper part please. Lift your body up. Stretch your body upside. 1. Yeah. 2. Up. 3, 4, 5. More up. 6, 7, 8. Relax please. Child pose. Just relax there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Leg forward please. And you have to lie down on a spine. Listen. Just relax please. Lie down on a back. Your both leg up and down. Yes, leg up and down. With the breath, inhale up your leg, down. Inhale up, down, up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up and hold please. Keep your leg straight, up and hold. 1, 2, leg straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cycling here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Say to Bandhasana, bridge pose. Inhale up and down, up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up and hold please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's please. Markat Asana. Fold both legs please. Fold your leg. No. Drop your feet touch the mat. Your feet only drop. Yes. Drop your knee towards right side and neck other side please. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale. Up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and hold please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Pawan Mukta Asana, right leg fold. Touch your head with your knee, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Switch, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both legs, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please sit here. Turn your left side and sit. Okay? Yes. Please sit, sir. And both hands put on your knee. Yes. Just relax your body and your breath here. Your both hand drop on it. Take a chin mudra in both hands. Back should be straight. Long inhale. Exhale. Focus on breath only here. Take a long inhale and exhale. You feel energize your body. Spine should be straight. Yes. Long inhale. Exhale. You focus on your breath, please. Now, you feel energize each and every part of your body. Take a long inhale and exhale. Lie down in Savasana. Just relax each and every part of your body. Long inhale and exhale. Long inhale